Hello, everyone, and welcome to our discussion of Book 1, Proposition 17 of Euclid's Elements. Proposition 17. In any triangle, the sum of any two angles is less than two right angles. So, personal insight, the intent of this proposition is to celebrate the discovered truth of a triangle that states that the sum of two interior angles is less than two right angles. So we need to show truth for that. And in order to do so, we need to have a figure and we need to draw the givens, state inequalities, and equations based on the figure and the proposition as well. Okay, so for our figure, we have this construct. Okay, so we have triangle BAC here. All right, and line BC has been extended to point B, so we have line BD here, and because of that step, we have produced exterior angle ACD here. Okay, and when we look more closely, we can say that angle ACD is adjacent to angle ACB, and both adjacent angles stand within just one line here. So we can say that the sum of these two adjacent angles is equal to two right angles, right? Okay. And here are the other components of the proof. So a while ago, we just extended line BC to point B. So that's at postulate 2. It states that a line can be extended to another line segment. Okay. And we have another component. This is the zest. We use this a lot, okay, in this proposition, in the proving of this proposition. So we have proposition 16. It states that the exterior angle is greater than the interior and opposite angle. Okay, so we have the exterior angle ACD here. It's greater than the interior and opposite angle. So we have two. So we have angle BAC here, interior opposite, and we also have angle ABC here, another interior opposite. Okay, and again, these two angles are interior and opposite to the exterior angle ACD, which is the exterior angle. So using that proposition 16, we have these two inequalities here. ACD greater than BAC and ACD greater than ABC. Okay, then moving along, we have another component here, the addition of angles. So if we use algebraic expressions for geometrical elements, we are actually making use of the common notions. At the time of Euclid, they don't have algebra. Okay, they have common notions. And lastly, we have proposition 13, being that states that the sum of two adjacent angles extends in one initial line is equal to two right angles. So again, two adjacent angles here, ACD and ACB, if you add it up, the sum is equal to two right angles. So this is how we quantify, okay, this part of the proposition here, two right angles. All right. Okay, so let's now move on to the proof. So step 1 is a given. Okay, so angle ACD is an exterior angle. So we need to use that. And we have to use proposition 16. Exterior angle ACD is greater than the interior opposite angles BAC and ABC. Okay, so we now have these two inequalities here. ACD greater than BAC and ACD greater than ABC. All right, then step number 3, we have to mention proposition 13. Okay, to derive the equation ACB, this interior angle here, plus ACD, the exterior angle, being adjacent to one another, the sum is equal to two right angles, right? So we now have this equation, okay? So let's now show truth to the parameter of the proposition. Okay, we have to show that ABC plus BAC, ABC plus BAC is less than the sum of two adjacent angles here. Okay? So we have to show truth on that. How? So we will use the two inequalities that we just derived. Okay? So we have ACD less than BAC, and again ACD less than ABC. Okay, so I hope you can follow that here in our figure. Okay, and then from point number, yeah, that's at point number 2, we have derived two inequalities. Now we just have to manipulate it by adding angle ACB to both sides of the inequality. Okay, so we now have ACD, okay, plus ACB, and this to this operation here is actually the sum of two right angles, right? Okay. And on the other side of the inequality, BAC plus ACB, this algebra or this expression, okay, is telling us that we have the sum of two interior angles, right? Okay, now we have this new inequality which shows that the sum of two interior angles is indeed less than the sum of two right angles. So the same process, okay, for the second inequality here, we will add angle ACB to both sides of the inequality. So we now again have ACD plus ACB being the sum of two right angles. Okay, and we have ABC and ACB, another pair of interior angles. And we are summing it up. We are adding this pair. Okay, and we now have a new inequality which shows that the sum of two interior angles is really less than the sum of two right angles here. So, considering such consistency, class, we can also say that the sum of ABC and BAC here, two interior angles, is indeed less than the sum of two right angles, which are the two adjacent angles here, okay, along or standing in just one line BD. Okay, so there you have it. That ends our discussion for Proposition 17. So thank you so much for watching and for listening, and take care.